Today we're going to create a table. If I go into Insert Table and choose the number of columns and rows I'd like to select, I can create an automatic table. But there are other ways. If I create a table now and separate each section with tab, if I select that table, I can come up Insert and I can go to Table and click Insert Table, and it automatically creates a table for me. Now if I go to Table and I click Convert Text to Table, I can choose number of columns, I can choose whether it's auto fit to content, which squeezes it to fit the data. If I click on auto fit to window, it spreads it out throughout the page. If I click on Insert Table, Convert Text to Table, and click on Auto, and then add, let's say, another 4 columns, click OK, then it will show you the number of columns. Now I can type in detail into those columns if I wish. If I go to the Design tab that's appeared at the top, I can select whether I'm going to include a last column, first column. I can change the style of the table, and then I can choose what colour I want the table to be. Now I can choose the type of border I'd like to include, and I can literally click on a cell and change the border of that particular cell if I wish to, using the pen tool. I can change the colour of the pen tool. If I change the colour of the pen, I can change the thickness of the pen, I can change the type of border, and then I can go to borders and select all borders if I wish and make all those that particular style. If I go to layout, I can delete a column or a row, I can insert a column to the right, I can insert a column to the left, and the rows being the same. That's my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments below, and if you want to subscribe to more tutorials, please click subscribe.